The 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E is a new electric crossover SUV. There has never been any kind of Mustang SUV or four-door before, let alone electric, so the Mach-E must establish its own identity with strong performance, sharp design, excellent range, smart packaging, lots of features, and comprehensive safety equipment. When we say strong performance, we are talking purebred Mustang acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds in the base version, and 0 to 60 in a breathtaking 3.5 seconds in the GT model. That's quicker than the Mustang Shelby GT500, with its 5.2-liter supercharged V8. The rear-wheel drive Mach-E can travel up to 300 miles on a single charge, with its larger 88 kWh battery pack. With the smaller 68 kWh pack, it can go up to 230 miles. All-wheel drive is available, using a second motor to power the front wheels, which steals some of that range. The sleek coupe-like shape of the Mach-E doesn't sacrifice interior room. It seats 5 adults in comfort, and an available glass roof opens up even more room inside. The rear cargo area houses up to 59.7 cubic feet with the seats folded flat. A tiered cargo floor, neat door handles, and good storage pockets optimize the space. A 15.5-inch touchscreen serves as a mastermind of controls. The Mach-E pairs with smartphones for wireless charging, to use as a key, and to monitor the vehicle, among other things. In terms of driving range, the standard range battery provides 68 kWh of capacity, enabling a range of 230 miles with single-motor rear-wheel drive, or 210 miles on the dual-motor all-wheel drive model. The extended range battery provides 88 kWh of capacity, good for 300 miles or 270 miles with the dual-motor setup. It's possible but not realistic for the Mach-E to be charged on a typical 120-volt level 1 outlet in your garage, as it will take 4 days, 95 hours, to fully charge the extended range model. The standard range will take less time. A 240-volt level 2 charger, as some clothes dryers use, cuts the charge time down to a manageable 14.1 hours. That works out to 21 miles of range for each hour of charging. Ford's available connected charge station upgrades a level 2 charger to 48 amps from 1932. Charge time drops to 10.1 hours, or 30 miles of range per hour.